Welcome! In front of me I have WITHINGS Scanwatch Light, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, use the crown button by rotating it, and rotate the crown button until you see the settings option on the screen. Once you see the settings, press the crown button to enter. Here, scroll through the menu by rotating the crown button and find the Do Not Disturb mode option. Once you find it and you want to enable it, press the crown button to change the status to on. And now the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And if you want to go back, scroll up, find the back option and press the crown button. And then go back to watch face. Like this. So that's how you enable the mode. If you want to disable it, basically repeat the steps. So select the settings, press the crown button, scroll down, find the Do Not Disturb, select it, and once you select it, press the crown button to turn it to off status. And then you can go back to the watch face. And that's how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode. You can also tell if the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled or disabled by the icon on the watch face. So if we enable it back on, go back to the watch face. On the watch face, after a second or two, the icon will appear on it. Let's wait. And here we have it. This means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And if you disable it, this icon will disappear. So let's do it. Like that. And wait a couple seconds and the icon won't appear because the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled, as you can see. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.